Buongiorno, foodies. Today we're spicing things up in the kitchen with my famous spicy chicken burger.
Spicy!
This delicious and budget-friendly recipe is perfect for two and will cost you less than $5. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound ground chicken, $3.50. 1 egg, 25 cents. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 15 cents. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 5 cents. 1 teaspoon cumin, 5 cents. Breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup, 50 cents. Salt and pepper. To taste 2 burger buns, $1. Optional toppings: lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, etc. First, combine the ground chicken, egg, breadcrumbs and spices in a bowl. Mix well and form into 2 equal-sized patties. Next, heat the olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side or until cooked through. Assemble your burger with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. Buon appetito. Unlock your inner top chef with these pro tips. Tip 1. Keep your knives razor sharp for precision cutting. Tip 2. Balance your flavors: salt, sweet, acid, and heat. Tip 3. Presentation matters. Plate with purpose. Elevate your cooking. Stay tuned for more tips.